have like this. Right? I'm trying to divide those two fractions from one another. I leave the front one the exact same, and the rule is to flip the back one and multiply.
Yeah.
So I'm not changing the. You meant change the symbol,
Yeah.
not the sign. Because when you said change the sign, I was thinking make it negative.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So I'm just going to make this times. That's fine. These two cancel. You know that, right?
Yeah, and then it's 5 over 4.
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to do the same thing here.
Yeah, that I said that wrong.
That's okay.
My fault.
All right. Now what?
Then you would do cross multiply with the 7 and the 14 to make it x squared and 2x cubed.
So this would be.
And then 12.
So this would be
2x cubed.
Huh? Exponent there, exponent there.
Would that be just x?
So that'd be 2x down there. Right.
Then what do you do with the x squared? Is that just gone?
That changes to a 1. Whenever you cancel something, it changes to a 1, not a 0.
Okay.
Okay? We just like this, when you cancel these two, that changed to a 1, that changed to a 1.
But you just don't write it though? Oh, because they can multiply.
When you multiply by 1,
they're the same.
They're the same, right?
Okay, so then it would be 12 would be 1. Then that would be a 4.
4 what?
4y squared.
Right. And that's actually our answer. Well, I can do one more thing. 4y
squared over 2x. And then that would, so then it would be 2y squared over x. Okay.
Right.
Let me do that one. Oh, that's right here.
Give me one of those that actually a whole bunch of stuff factors so we can factor and cancel.
They were. Go
ahead and write your answer first, I guess. Or did you already write it?
Which one do you think we should do?
Why not? That looks good.
All right.
Read it to me.
6x minus 12 divided by x squared minus 9x plus 18 multiply by 7x minus 21 over 5x minus 10.
Okay, factor everything you can factor. And tell me what you're doing, because I can't see.
I'll do the x thing with the 18 over.
Okay, so you're going to do that one? All right.
Yeah, and then 9 and 2 would equal that, and there's, what else would be 18? 3 goes in 18, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
3 and 6.
3 and 6. That's the one.
And they're -3 and then -6.
Mm-hmm.
So that would be x.
Can you factor anything on the top?
You can get the x minus 12.
Okay, so 6x minus 12, what factors out? What's common to both the 6 and the 12?
They both go into 3.
Bigger.
6.
So what stays inside here?
That would be x minus 2.
Good.
It's 3 times. Okay, and then there's 7x. The 5 and the 10. 5x minus 10 would be 2 minus 5.
I'm factoring a 5 out. So what happens? You have the right numbers. You just
I just said it wrong.
I'm dyslexic, so I understood exactly what you were saying, and that's the truth. The next one, the top one.
7. Oh, that would be 3. 7 x minus 3.
Good.
Okay. So.
Anything that you see on the top that's the same at the bottom, you can cancel and make a 1. So tell me what to cancel.
The x minus 3, and then the x minus 2s. So there's cancel, there's cancel, there's cancel.
And now we just multiply. What's left?
You have the 6 over the x minus 6, and then the times 7.
When you're doing math with fractions, this is what I want you to train your brain to do.
Okay.
After we do the canceling, focus on either the top or the bottom. Do not look at both. Okay?
Okay.
So what is left on top?
6 times 7?
Right.
42.
Good. What's left on the bottom?
5x minus 6?
Yep. That's it.
Cool.
Fractions is just the ability to do 2 problems in one. The only time that you focus on both the top and the bottom is when you're doing canceling. Everything else, you're going to look at this as a separate math question, and then this is a separate math question, and then that is a separate math question, and then that as a separate math question. The only time you mix them is when you're trying to cancel stuff.
Okay.
And then once you've canceled, the top is all one math question. The bottom is all one math question. And that's how you attack fractions.
Okay.
So you don't have to be scared of them because you're just doing either
top or the bottom.
Top or the bottom.
Okay.
That's all you're doing.
So after...
Okay. So even before and after. Before, we're going to focus on either the top, right?
Yeah.
Each little part of the top or each little part of the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
And then we cancel, and then we focus on either the top or the bottom.
Yep.
All right, give me a division one.
All right, do you want to do that one?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Okay, let me stop.